Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 5th. Third chapter, Addition and Subtraction, Part 3. Now, today in this lecture, we will see what is subtraction. Now, what is subtraction? Subtraction means what you are doing. You are subtracting one number from the another one. Clear, students? So, here, see in your slide, the number is given 5 minus 2. So, what you have to do? You have to remove 2 from the 5. Clear? So students, when we are subtracting the number means what we are doing? We are finding the difference between the two number. Clear? So after subtracting the number, the answer you will get, that answer is the difference between the two given number. Clear? Question number 5, subtract the following. Now here what we have to do? We have to subtract the 5-digit number. So let's see how you will going to subtract. Now here we have to subtract, that is 37,058 with 23,469. So let's see how you will going to subtract. Clear, student? Now here first we have to subtract what? 8 and 9. Now we can't subtract this 9 from 8. So what we will do is we will carry 1 from 5. So it will become 18 and here 4 will remain. Clear? So 18 minus 9, what we will get? We will get that is 9. Clear, student? Now next what we have to do? Now can you subtract this 6 from 4? No. So again we have to carry, but here 0 is there. So what you will do? You will carry 1 from this 7. Clear? Here it will become 10 and here 6 will remain. Clear? Now carry 1 from this 10. So it will become 14 and here 9 will remain. Clear? So 14 minus 6, what you will get? You will get that is 8. Clear, student? Now here 9 minus 4, what you will get? You will get that is 5. Then 6 minus 3, you will get that is 3. And 3 minus 2, you will get that is 1. Clear, student? Like this you have to subtract. Now second one, 46,932 we have to subtract with 28,547. Now again here, see here the smaller number is there and here the bigger number is there. So what you will do? You will carry 1 from 3. So it will become 12 and here 2 will remain. Clear? So 12 minus 7, what you will get? You will get that is 5. Then can you subtract this 4 from this 2? No. So again we will carry 1. Clear? From 9. So here it will remain 8. 12 minus 4, what you will get? That is 8. Now 8 minus 5, what you will get? You will get that is 3. Then again we can't subtract this 8 from this 6. So we will carry 1. So it will become 16 and here 3 will remain. So 16 minus 8, you will get that is 8 and 3 minus 2, you will get that is 1. Clear, student, how you will subtract this? So like this you have to subtract your 5-digit number. Now see question number 6. Subtract the following. Now here one has been done for you. We have to start doing from the second one. Now what we have to do is here we have to subtract our 6 and 7-digit number. So let's see how you will going to subtract your 6 and 7-digit number. Now here we have to subtract this 83,65,379 with 64,37,988. So let's see how you will going to subtract. Clear? So first we have to arrange this number. So here we will write down that is 83,65,379. Clear? See how they have done the first one. Like that we have to do the second one. And next number is 64,37,988. We have to subtract this number. Clear? So let's see how you will going to subtract this number. Now 9 minus 8, what you will get? You will get that is 1. Now can you subtract this 8 from 7? No. So what we have to do is we have to carry 1 from 3. So here it will become 17. Clear? We had carried 1 from 3 with 7. So it will become 17. And here what will remain? Here 2 will remain. Clear everyone? How you will do this? So see what you will get. 17 minus 8. You will get, that is 9. Clear? Now can you subtract this 9 from 2? No. So again we will carry 1 from 5. So it will become 12 and here 4 will remain. Clear students? So 12 minus 9. What you will get? You will get, that is 3. Now again we can't subtract this 7 from 4. So again we will carry 1 from 6. So it will become 14 and here the remaining number is 5. So 14 minus 7 you will get, that is 7. Then 5 minus 3, what you will get? You will get, that is 2. Clear student? Now 3 minus 4, can you subtract this? No. So what you will do? You will carry 1. Clear? 3 we will write down here. You will carry 1 from 8. So it will become 13 and here your remaining number is 7. Clear? So 13 minus 4, what you will get? You will get, that is 9. And 7 minus 6, you will get, that is 1. Clear? Like this you have to subtract. Understood? Now let's see the third sum. How you will do the third sum? Now again we have to subtract 8,57,513 with 4,82,256. So let's subtract and see what we will get. So 8,57,513 we have to subtract with 4,82,256. Both the number we have to subtract it. So can you subtract this 6 from 3? No. So what we have to do? We have to carry what? Here from 1 we have to carry 1. So it will become 13 and here your remaining number is 0. So 13 minus 6 you will get, that is 7. Now again we can't subtract this 5 from 0. So what we will do? We will carry 1 from 5. So it will become 10 and here your remaining number is 4. So 10 minus 5 you will get, that is 5. 4 minus 2, what you will get? You will get, that is 2. 7 minus 2, what you will get? You will get, that is 5. Again 5 minus 8, can you subtract this 8 from 5? No. So what we will do? We will carry 1 from this 8. So it will become 15 and here your remaining number is 7. So 15 minus 8, what you will get? You will get, that is 7. And 7 minus 4, you will get, that is 3. Clear? So like this you have to subtract your 6 and 7 digit number. Thank you.